In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a CNAME record in Cloudflare if you're setting up a new subdomain, connecting a service like a website builder, or pointing your domain to a third-party platform. You'll very often be asked to create a CNAME record. We'll go through the process step by step so you know exactly what to click and what to type, even if DNS feels a bit technical right now. First, start in your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you want to manage. This is important if you have more than one domain in your account, because each domain has its own separate DNS settings. Make sure you're clicking the correct one that you actually want to configure. Once you're inside that domain settings, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, click on DNS and then choose Records. This is where all of your existing DNS records are listed, such as A records, CNAMEs, and others. Think of this page as the control panel for where your domain and subdomains are pointing on the internet. Now, to add a new CNAME, look for the button that says Add Record and click the plus sign. This opens up a form where you'll define the details for your new record. Let's go through each field carefully so you know what to enter. First, there's the type field. Open the drop-down menu and select CNAME. This tells Cloudflare that you're creating a CNAME record rather than another type, like an A record or TXT record. Next is the name field. This is the prefix for your subdomain. For example, if you want to set up www.yourdomain.com, you would simply type www here. If you want something like blog.yourdomain.com, you would type blog. If you're told to point your root domain, which is just your domain without any prefix, you can enter the @ symbol, also known as @. Cloudflare will interpret that as the root of your domain. Then you'll see the target field. This is where you paste the destination address provided by your service provider. It usually looks like a host name, such as a custom address from your hosting company or platform. Make sure you paste it exactly as given with no extra spaces or changes, because this is where your subdomain will actually point. Below that, you'll choose the proxy status. This is where Cloudflare's features come into play. If you select proxied, shown as an orange cloud, your traffic will pass through Cloudflare. That means you can benefit from Cloudflare's security features and content delivery network, which can help with performance and protection. If you choose DNS only, shown as a gray cloud, the traffic will go directly to the target server without being proxied through Cloudflare. Some services require this, such as certain email or productivity platforms, or for initial SSL verification. If your provider specifies DNS only, be sure to select the gray cloud option. Once all the fields look correct and you've chosen the right proxy status, click Save. Your new CNAME record will now appear in the list of DNS records for your domain. Changes usually start working fairly quickly, but it can take a little time for DNS updates to propagate globally. That's all you need to add a CNAME record in Cloudflare.